Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to set up your Belkin N300 Wi-Fi Range Extender. Whether you're enhancing your Wi-Fi coverage or fixing dead zones, this guide will help you get started in no time. Let's dive in. First, unbox your Belkin N300 extender and ensure you have everything you need. Inside the box, you'll find the extender, a quick start guide, and a power adapter. Place the extender in the same room as your router during the setup. Plug the Belkin N300 extender into a wall outlet. Wait for the power light on the extender to turn green. This indicates the extender is powered up and ready for setup. Next, use a smartphone, tablet, or computer to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Look for a network name starting with Belkin.setup in your Wi-Fi settings and connect to it. Open a web browser and type http://belkin.range into the address bar. This will take you to the Belkin setup page. If prompted, log in with the default credentials found in the Quick Start Guide. Once you're on the setup page, follow the on-screen instructions to connect the extender to your Wi-Fi network. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and wait for the extender to establish a connection. Once the setup is complete, you can connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. Typically, the extender will create a new network with a name similar to your original Wi-Fi, but with an added suffix like _ext for easy identification. After completing the setup, unplug the extender and reposition it to a location that's approximately halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage. This ensures optimal signal strength and extends your Wi-Fi range to the desired areas. If you need help or face any issues, our expert team is ready to assist. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure your concerns are addressed promptly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Belkin N300 Wi-Fi Range Extender. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech guides, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.